Let's see what happens when P starts to play. Well, you remember P, this one of the brothers of B and T, remember? And C? Yeah, the difference was the dots. Now we want to see what happens when this one wants to play with the vowels, and let's see. So let's see the vowels. We had A, E, O, U, and E. This one, what happens when this one wants to play? So first one was the one with the hat, and it comes only at the beginning, never attached to any consonant. But this one is the one without the hat, wants to attach to another consonant and comes in the middle or at the end. So come back here. When this one wants to play, obviously comes at first, then we have P. First read this one, then read this one. Up, up, together. Up, up. How about this one? Well, this one comes in the middle or at the end, so obviously when it comes here, it would attach to P. We know P wants to get attached to others as well, so this happens. P, A, P, A, together. Pa, pa. And the interesting thing is pa is the same as leg in English. Yeah, you know this, but you don't have to know it. It's just extra information because it's fun somehow to know it. What about this one? This one comes always at the beginning, never attached, then we have P. So first read this, then read this. App, app, together. App, app. But this one is the one who jumps right up to the lowercase ones. So it comes right over there and makes P start like A. So when we want to read this, first we have P and then we have A. P, A, P, A. Together. Pa, pa. It's A's turn to play. So this one, just like this one, comes at the beginning. And then we have P. So first A and then P. E, P, E, P. Together. Ep, ep. This one, just like this one, but only comes right down there and makes P start like E. So first this and then this. P, E. P, E. Together? P. P. It's super easy. You know the pattern. You are learning the pattern. It makes sense to all of them. How about O? Well, just like these two, this one comes right at the beginning, never attached, then we have P. So first read this one, then read this one. Op, op, together. Op. This one, right up there, on lowercase consonants, make this sound like that. So P, O, P, O. Together. Po, po. Look at this. Well, this one is a little different, but of course this one still comes at the beginning, never attached to anything. Then we have P. So first U and then P. U, P. U, P. Together. Oop, oop. Well, this one sometimes attaches, sometimes doesn't. It depends on that consonant, and sometimes comes in the middle of a word, sometimes at the end of the word. So it comes right here. As we know, P wants to attach, so these two attach. And first this one, then this one. This makes P sound like itself. So first P, then U. P, U, P, U, and together, Poo, Poo. It's turned to this tricky one. So first of all, this one comes always at the beginning and attached from only this side. This one comes in the middle, always in the middle, attached sometimes from both sides, sometimes from just one side. And this one comes always at the end, sometimes attached, sometimes doesn't. So if this one wanted to play, comes just right here, E, E, and then we have P. So E, P, together, Eep, Eep. This one attached just like this, sometimes in the middle, sometimes at the end, doesn't matter. But this one comes at the end. So when this one comes and P wants to attach, so naturally they attach. And when you want to read it, first P, then E. P, E. P, E. Together, P, P. Well, we did it all. Let's see what practices we have for our next session. Well, as you see, there's a very obvious pattern in Persian language, and it makes it so easy. It's not like other languages that you have so many exceptions that make you just memorize them. No, patterns in Persian language is so obvious. So as long as you know how to start, you can guess what to do with the next ones. But that's okay. Just to practice, read one page of each one of them, and as long as you are writing them down, you read them as well, because we want to practice our vocal cord. We want to practice, and as well as we are writing them down. It's just two goals. We're just doing one thing. Comment when you did it, and see you guys next session. Until next session, bye.